Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful spread. In my opinion, even though it's my own, I do really think it's pretty, and I think it depends on the pretty things I used. So I used the new Antiquario kit from Maremi Small Art, and I really love it. And I also used some papers that I got from my daughter from Japan. So these are the papers from Maremi Small Art. I'm going to use, I have already cut out some flowers and the door. And now I'm also going to use some doilies from Japan and some of the pretty origami papers that my daughter brought me. So, and also some washis. Yeah, so this is what I'm working with today. And I'm starting as often by tearing up papers and just adding them as scrap pieces to my spread. And I'm using ordinary quick glue from Panduro. You can use any glue you want. And this paper is really pretty. And I actually like using the origami papers because they are not very thick. And that's a good thing here, I believe. And now time for some washes, also from Japan. So my daughter has been to Japan for a year, and she recently came home. She has been studying Japanese, so she's really skilled at it now. And she brought me some lovely things. So of course I want to use them alongside with Marta's pretty papers and cutouts. So I'm not sure where to put it, but I decided to put it in the middle, because why not? And these are vellum papers from Maremi Small Art also. And I'm not really sure how to use vellum in art journals, but I'm just using it as a collage piece, I think. And I'm just adding some white heavy gesso on some places to make all the scrap pieces work together better. Sorry about my English pronunciation. Sometimes it's not that excellent. Yeah. So I'm just drying the gesso a bit, and then I'm using one of my favorite pens or markers, watercolor markers from Faber-Castell. Albrecht Dürer is the name. So I'm using the beige pink one and the gray one. It's a light gray, so I'm just shading around the flowers and around some other pieces and just diluting it with some water on a brush. And I'm gonna do it several times, and I'm gonna add a darker gray also, because I want some more shading effect of the flowers. And some other places, of course. So just diluting it again. It makes soft effect with the shading if you dilute it with water. And this is the vellum piece. And I'm just gonna glue it on top of the other papers and see how it looks. There's also some nice wordings on vellum in her pack, so I'm gonna use some of it too. And I'm choosing the word or the wording Just Imagine. And just adding it with glue. Some more shading. You know I love shading. You get a nice effect when you shade. makes the things pop out of the page more. And now I'm just gonna stamp a bit with a stamp from Panduro that I really like. It's kind of a bushes, and I think that will fit to the bushes at the door, kind of. And I'm also shading around the edges of the spread, as I often do with my, what is this? This is my Silky Twister crayon. It's a children's crayon. You could use Distress ink or another crayon if you want, just to get the effect of the shading. So this is it, and I really like the result of it. It's so easy but still so pretty. And thank you, Marta, for the papers. I really enjoy working with them, and I will use them more, of course. And yeah, so please visit Marta's store, maremismallart.com, if you want to purchase them. I'm not sponsored, I just love them. Yeah, so please leave a like and a comment and subscribe to my channel if you want to. And have a nice day, and bye.